so I can talk, but I'm just taking a look around to see what they have. They have a clean latex tape. I need some more of that. They have a nail stamping kit. Ooh, these are pretty. Nail polish remover infused with real flowers. How fun. And a cuticle oil. Rose cuticle oil. How much is this? $6.63 and $6.98. I thought maybe it was on clearance because I had that tag. There's some more goodies up there. What are these, y'all? These are 2 steps. So 1 step is color and a shiny top coat. These are $8.97. These look fun. Ooh. These are nice and small. They look smaller. Orally, $6.98. What's this? Collagen, vegan pure collagen, instantly strong. Multi-plant ends peeling, flaking. I can use something like that. Oh, here's the rest of them. These are $4.48, not bad. Here's the nail aid that I got off of Amazon for $3, so it's $3.88 here. They have the nude manicure. Nail polish remover. They don't have too much nail polish. It looks like it's kind of all picked over. Foot masks. I have plenty of that I need to use. I have the challenge come back and get a couple things, but usually when I'm with the hubby, he doesn't let me pick up any nail stuff, and I have to start using some of what I got so that I can. Elf display. Is it time? We have under eye mask, which on clearance. So until I have that, there's no prices. There's some more, but no clearance prices are on them. There's the Freeman hands mask. I didn't know Freeman had one. They have a butt one. Ooh, belly and bust. Oh. I do kind of want to try some of these. If you guys have tried the Happy Place shower and skin stuff, let me know, because I'm wondering if it's any good. I do love Boticology. You guys can see that. Those are really good and they smell great. Oh, they have tea tree head sugar scrubs. These here are really, really good. $6.48 is a good price. I think they're more on Amazon. Dove. Wow, foaming bath salts and Dove. I've never seen that before. Bubble bath and after bath body whip. Here's some more. Really just debating on getting this. I have so much like bath stuff too that I really don't need it, but it's good to know that it's here, so if I want to come back for it, I can come back and pick it up. I kind of want to try this. I have Dr. Till's lotion. Ooh, aroma diffuser. I want to get one of these too. I'm looking for one that I like. I need a good exfoliator. Here's a Yes To facial scrub. Okay, y'all, that looks like all the polish for today that I found. We do have some face masks over here. Again, collagen. Some fun facial micro needling thing. I know my husband is not about to let me pay $40 for that.